A few times a week, a guy named Mike Wisenbeck of Auburn, Washington, dresses up in a Superman costume and then goes about his daily normal routine. He goes to the grocery store to buy some milk. He goes to the gas station to fill up his car. He goes to the library to check a book out. Mark follows a pretty normal routine. He's just wearing a Superman outfit. Here's what Mark told me about the situation. I can go to a bar, be a fly on the wall of that bar, and watch the whole experience go by. Or I can dress up in a Superman outfit, go to that exact same bar, and everyone's gonna wanna come over and talk to me. Mark says he originally started dressing in a Superman outfit for three main reasons. Number one, an homage to his wife who unfortunately passed away. Number two, because he loves superheroes, specifically Superman. And number three, he says, is that every time he wears it, he brightens people's days. He said to me that when people see him coming towards them, he knows that their day is gonna be different than it was had they not met him. And he knows it's most likely gonna be in a positive way, and he's giving that person a story to tell. In the world of dance floor theory, we talk about the engagement pyramid within your community. And we say that at the bottom of that engagement pyramid are your neutrals, which is the largest percentage of any community. These people are your disengaged people who are walking around going meh, meh, meh. And the goal of these people is we have to get their attention. In dance floor theory, we call the activities that engage those neutrals blender events. And if I think about Mark wearing this Superman costume, it is the perfect blender event for four reasons. Number one, he's bringing the activity to the neutrals, wherever they're at. Number two, he's creating a positive reaction. Sure, he could dress up in a zombie outfit and dump a pint of fake blood all over him and run through the streets, but that's not going to have a positive reaction. That's not going to get people to be more engaged. He creates a positive reaction for them. Number three, he's helping to connect the dots between the larger events. Mark's not trying to create a massive spectacle. He's doing a blender event which falls in between the larger events that you host within your community. Don't rely on just your major events to engage your people. You got to do little things in between to get those neutrals go from meh to Because once they're a they're more likely to show up at that big event. And lastly, number four, it's cheap. It doesn't cost a lot of money. In fact, it costs nothing for Mark to wear this Superman outfit and go around town and change people's day for the better. One more part about Mark's story that he talks about is that authenticity is the key, because he says if he wasn't 100% honest and true with the fact that he loves Superman and he's doing this to make people's day be more brightened, other people would feel that sort of fake authenticity from him. And he isn't blind to the fact that wearing a Superman costume to the grocery store, to the gas station is a little bit odd, but he knows that because he's 100% authentic and honest, that other people are gonna see that and feel that and receive it from him. And he hopes to give them a positive moment in their otherwise rather mundane day. Maybe wearing a Superman costume is a bit much for you, but what can you do within your community, within your team, within your organization to get those neutrals to go from meh to My name's Tom. I'm here to help you to engage the people on your dance floor. See you in the next video.